Alright, today the Nucleus beehive from Apimaye arrived, and this is the official unboxing. So you can see this is the Nucleus hive with frames. This is the 7-frame hive, not the 10-frame standard size hive. Alright, so let's open up the box and see what we've got. Alright, looks like everything is already assembled. And there's a booklet with some instructions for us. It shows us what we should have and how it goes together. Alright, let's take it out and set it up. Alright, well I took the hive out of the box and there's not much setup to do. Everything is in place, it seems. And we can take a look at the hive itself. Now this is the divider board that is in the package, and it was just down alongside the hive. The hive was already assembled and has the frames inside of it. And we can take a look at that. So here you have your two entrance ports. And these are adjustable, fully opened to just let air through, to be totally sealed. And this, I think, just lets workers through, but not the queen. The bottom tray on this, unlike the 10-frame hive, it doesn't have the pollen trap. It's just a sliding drawer for mite counts and to check for hive beetles. You can put a sticky board in there. Alright, let's open it up. This is the feeding tray. Let's see. These come out and they adjust for whether you have candy or syrup. It looks like it's set right now for candy, and that you reverse this when you're feeding syrup, so the bees can actually crawl up and feed on the syrup inside of here. And there's the tray. these are the handy frames. Now these are made for wax foundation. I believe on the website they tell you that you cannot fit plastic foundation in here, that it's just for wax foundation. But it looks pretty thick. If we take the middle frame out, we can place in that divider board. And then you'll have 2 hives with 3 frames each. And you can have a separate queen in each section once you place that divider in the middle.